Hello everyone, I'm George from TSS and today we'll be unboxing the TSS multi-point door handles, lever. These particular handles have a blank external and they are sprung with 92 PZ and 210 screw centers. As you can see, like all of the TSS handles, these are supplied boxed and the components inside are individually bagged. This is to avoid damage in transit. Inside the box you will receive a set of handles, your accessory pack, which will include your two sets of fixings, one long and one short, your solid spindle and two removable spring cassettes. These handles are available in polished chrome like you can see in the video, polished brass, silver, white and black. The polished brass, silver and polished chrome are salt spray tested to 240 hours and all of the handles are cycle tested to 50,000 operations. I'll go over the measurements with you now. So the back plate on this handle is 242 millimeters by 34 millimeters. Your screw centers 210 mil. This particular side has the blank external with no Euro cutout. Your PZ, your centers, is 92 millimeters. Top screw to center of the spindle is 75 mil, and base of the Euro cutout to the bottom screw is 20 millimeters. Thank you for watching.